Okay, so we have a list like this, right? Now, the ultimate goal is to become this, right? Why it is like this, right? Because it's first filter to get the three items, and then you do a sorting according to the sales, right? So the first step is to get a unique list, right? So right here. So why this unique list? Because that if I have two numbers here, 150, and look at that, then you have basically two items, right? But I mean, this your unique list will be less than one, right? So then you look at the top 40 will be different. So let's look at the easier one first, right? So assuming that every numbers are unique, right? And then we got the step two, right? Why is step two? Step two is to find out that the top three. What Excel function can be used to determine top three, right? So we can use the large function. The large function combined with the unique function, right? The three here represents that the third largest number, right, is 140, right? It's out of here, see that here? If it's sorted, this is the last one. Now the next step is that we use the Excel365 function, right, to load it, and that's called filter, right? So the filter accept that array, and then we have this, and then there is this include part here is basically that what it says that what's the rules here, right? So filter. So filter right here, the array. The array is both column, right? And then as for the include, right? So this is where the rules for filter happens, right? So we know that the last here will return a value of 140. So basically it says that, hey, go to this list, right? In this B column B, right? B6 to B11, check each one, right? If it's more than or equals to that 140, then keep it there, right? If it's not, then exclude it, right? So that is called including those that is fulfilling these rules, right? So that is the filter function. Now, finally, after you filter, how do you sort it, right? So we use the sort function, right? So you understand the filter, right? And then now the sort, right? So what the sort does, right, is that, well, I got the filtered list, right? Now I'm going to sort, right? Sort according to which column, right? Oh, this two, it will tells you that sort according to the column number two, right? Column number two, which is the sales column. And then how do you want to extend? Well, we use the negative one, right? This is the ascending order, right? So also descending order, right? So right here, right? So you can see that negative one is descending order, right? And that's it, right? This is how we use the all this combination to find out the filter the top three items and sort it out. So the next one is here. You can do the same thing, right? Same step, right? Remember the line of my last message or say is that, right? So it's one thing you watch about it. It's second, it's a different thing that you do the exercise, right? The again, right? So once you understand, you do it. When you do it, and you become better, right? It is when you do it, you become better. You become a better person, right? According to the growth mindset. Thank you.